Cuba is a fascinating destination that offers a wide range of cultural experiences and beautiful scenery for seniors to enjoy. From the bustling streets of Havana to the picturesque beaches of Varadero, there is something for everyone in this Caribbean paradise. One of the best things about traveling to Cuba as a senior is the opportunity to explore the country's rich history and culture. Havana, the capital city, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers a glimpse into the country's colonial past. Visitors can take a stroll down the historic streets of Old Havana and admire the beautiful colonial architecture, or visit one of the city's many museums and art galleries. For seniors who love to dance, Cuba is also famous for its music and dance. The island is home to many renowned salsa and rumba clubs, where visitors can enjoy live music and dance the night away. The famous Tropicana cabaret is a must-see for those who want to experience the true Cuban nightlife. Cuba is also home to many beautiful beaches, making it a great destination for seniors who love to relax and soak up the sun. Varadero, located on the Caicos Peninsula, is a popular destination for seniors who want to enjoy the white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters and perfect weather. Seniors who want to experience the more rural side of Cuba can take a tour of the countryside and visit small villages, tobacco farms and coffee plantations. This is a great way to get to know the local people and learn more about their way of life. When it comes to traveling to Cuba as a senior, it is important to plan ahead and consider your physical abilities. Some of the streets and sidewalks in Havana can be uneven and cobblestone, so comfortable shoes are a must. It's also a good idea to check with your doctor before you go to make sure you are fit for travel, especially if you have any health conditions. In conclusion, Cuba is a wonderful destination for seniors who want to experience the rich history, culture, and natural beauty of the Caribbean. With plenty of activities to enjoy and a friendly and welcoming population, Cuba is the perfect destination for seniors looking to experience new adventures and make lasting memories.